Hello students, today we are discussing the case study. From this year, CBSE board have changed some pattern of MCQ question. They are given in CBSE sample paper a case study, and on the basis of that case study you have to solve further 4 questions. So this is a new pattern. First time it comes in 1920 CBSE sample paper. Now in exams. So I am making this video for practice for May exams of case studies. These are integrated questions based on one case study. There are 4 questions. So you have to read carefully. The method to solve this case study is very simple. First of all, you have to read the questions and then you have to read the passage, means case study. Then you can easily find the clues and answer of the questions based on that case study. So let's start. Read the following text and answer question number 1 to 4 on the basis of the same. This kind of question will come in board exams. So I am making this video from starting chapter first. From each chapter I will give you case study in further our series of these case studies. So this new type of case study we practice in these videos. We are starting from first chapter and here is our question. Founded in 1868 by Jamsetji Nusairwanji Tata, the Tata Group is a global business conglomerate operating in over 100 countries across 5 continents. His strong sense of values and spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship are a legacy that continues to guide Tata companies till date. He had 4 goals in life: setting up an iron and steel company, a world-class learning institution, a unique hotel, and a hydroelectric plant. Only the hotel became a reality during his lifetime, with the inauguration of the Taj Mahal Hotel at Colaba waterfront in Mumbai on 3rd December 1903, at the cost of 11 million, worth 11 billion in 2015 prices. At that time, it was the only hotel in India to have electricity. He believed that satisfied workers create satisfied workers, and in lieu of to this principle, he paid all his workers gratuity provident fund well before it was made mandatory. His management skills were clearly evident when minute details were chalked in planning and building the entire city of Jamshedpur. The values and principles that have governed the business for a century are enshrined in the Total Code of Conduct. From an early foray into steel and automobiles to staying abreast of the latest technologies, the Tata Group today has 29 publicly listed Tata enterprises, which include Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Power, Tata Chemicals, Tata Global Beverages, Tata Teleservices, Titan, Tata Communications, and Indian Hotels. The group has a combined market capitalization of around $103.51 2016-17. Tata has a strong sense of social responsibility. They balance economic prosperity, environmental responsibility, and social benefits for the community. In India, they are a partner in progress with Odisha and believing in taking its stakeholders forward in its journey of growth. Tata Steel Thailand is one of the first 30 companies that joined UNICEF in child-friendly business in the Children's Sustainability Forum to make a commitment in protecting children's rights. Tata Steel Europe's Community Partnership Program Future Generations with sub-themes of education, environment, health and well-being works across the UK assisting job and wealth creation by supporting small and medium businesses with finance and business premises. They also play a constructive role in addressing climate change, both by reducing carbon footprint and by creating high performance steels that lead to fuel efficient vehicles and energy efficient buildings. Their environmental management systems meet the ISO 14001 standards at all of their main manufacturing sites, shaped by a lineage of sound and straightforward business principles. The Tata Group is built on a foundation of trust and transparency. Building such huge enterprises, sustaining and running them profitably are possible only through effective and efficient management and coordination at all levels. Now students, there are 4 questions based on this case study. You have read it carefully. Now, this is belongs to chapter 1. So chapter 1 में हमने जो जो टॉपिक्स पढ़े थे आपको याद होंगे. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट हमने पढ़ा था, कोऑर्डिनेशन टॉपिक पढ़ा था, है ना, मैनेजमेंट के हमने यहाँ पर फीचर्स पढ़े थे. तो आपको माइंड में ये सब चीज़ें आ गई होंगी इस केस स्टडी को पढ़ते पढ़ते. नाउ रीड द क्वेश्चन. Which of the following function must be performed by Jamsetji Nusirwanji? First, oversee the efforts of the workforce. Second, motivate personnel to achieve desired objectives. Third, welfare and survival of the organization. And D option, all of the above. बताइए क्या होगा सही आंसर. आप चाहें तो केस स्टडी को एक बार दोबारा पढ़ सकते हैं, अदरवाइज आपको आंसर पता चल गया होगा. यस, राइट आंसर इज डी ऑप्शन, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. जमशेदजी नुसरवानजी ने ये सारे फंक्शन फॉलो करे हैं, है ना. जब उन्होंने 1868 में टाटा कंपनी स्टार्ट करी तब से अब तक ये लगातार ग्रोथ कर रही है. क्यों? क्योंकि इन्होंने क्या किया, वर्कफोर्स के एफर्ट्स को ओवरसी करा, मतलब सुपरवाइज करा. उन्होंने टाइम टू टाइम अपने स्टाफ को, अपने पर्सनल को मोटिवेट करा जिससे वो डिज़ायर्ड गोल्स को अचीव कर पाए. और उन्हें ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के वेलफेयर और सर्वाइवल के बारे में लगातार सोचा. एज अ टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट उन्होंने अपने सारे फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करे. तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ मूव टू सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. He believed that satisfied workers create satisfied workers, and in lieu to this principle, he paid all his workers gratuity, provident fund, well before it was made mandatory. Which objective have been fulfilled by the management of Tata Steel? Management के objectives आपने पढ़े थे, कौन कौन से हैं? Organizational, social, personal. अब यहाँ पर वो पूछ रहे हैं कि इस लाइन से आपको कौन से ऑब्जेक्टिव्स जो है मैनेजमेंट के उसका ध्यान आ रहा है. ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल का आ रहा है? नहीं. सोशल का? नहीं. इससे हमें किसके बारे में पता चल रहा है? पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, क्योंकि यहाँ वर्कर्स की बात हो रही है ना. तो वर्कर्स का हमने जिक्र किस में कर रखा है? पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में. तो सही आंसर क्या होगा? पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. तो अगर आपने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स लर्न कर रखे होंगे तभी आप सही आंसर आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which of the following highlights the social objectives fulfilled by the management of Tata Steel? First, Tata Steel Thailand is one of the first 30 companies that joined UNICEF in child-friendly business in the Children's Sustainability Forum to make a commitment in protecting children's rights. Second, Tata Steel Europe's Community Partnership Program Future Generations with sub-themes of education, environment, health and well-being works across the UK, assisting job and wealth creation by supporting small and medium businesses with finance and business premises. Third, they also play a constructive role in addressing climate change, both by reducing carbon footprint and by creating high-performance steels that lead to fuel-efficient vehicles and energy-efficient buildings. All the above. अब आपको ये बताना है कि इन सब में से सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स फुलफिल करती हुई कौन सी स्टेटमेंट आपको नजर आ रही है? सभी में, है ना. कहीं चिल्ड्रन की बात हो रही है, कहीं यहाँ पर आपके पॉल्यूशन वगैरह ना हो कम्युनिटी में, इस क्लाइमेट चेंज है ना, इसके लिए कैसे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, इन सब से इंडस्ट्रीज़ कैसे उन सब से लड़ें, एनवायरनमेंट की बात हो रही है, एजुकेशन की बात हो रही है, तो ये सब हमारे सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में आता है। तो हमारा आंसर सही क्या होगा? यस, डी ऑप्शन, ऑल दी अबव। नाउ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, टाटा स्टील हैज राइजन टू द टॉप बिकॉज ऑफ डैश। इस डैश में क्या फिल करेंगे? डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस आर, नंबर 1 इफेक्टिव एंड एफिशिएंट मैनेजमेंट, B coordination at all levels, C both A and B, D strong sense of values and spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship. क्या होगा सही आंसर? Tata Steel has risen to the top because of effective and efficient management as well as coordination at all levels. ये आप केस स्टडी अगर पढ़ें तो उसकी लास्ट लाइन में लिखा है। तो सही आंसर क्या होगा? सी, बोथ ए एंड बी। तो इस तरह की केस स्टडी स्टूडेंट्स एग्जाम्स में आएंगी, सीबीएसई सैम्पल पेपर में भी हैं। तो उसके प्रैक्टिस के लिए हमने ये सीरीज शुरू करी है और ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर से हमने स्टार्ट किया है, एक केस स्टडी और उसके बेसिस पे 4 क्वेश्चंस। तो इसी तरह से हम हर चैप्टर की केस स्टडी की आपको प्रैक्टिस कराते रहेंगे। थैंक यू।